Hey guys, how are you all? Xiaomi announced the CC series of the smartphones recently, which is totally aimed at the young people. Now the company has posted a promo video on Weibo with a 8-year-old internet sensation Gavin Thomas taking a couple of selfies with the CC9E new model. Official looking render of the Mi CC9E has surfaced as well, giving us a more detailed look at the hardware. It's looking a lot like the Mi9 with more fluidly shaped camera notch of the Mi9 SE. You may be wondering why the name CC. Recently, Xiaomi has acquired smartphone company called Me2, and in collaboration with the Me2 and Xiaomi, this is the first phone. So the expected specification of this new phone are: the phone is expected to come with the 6.2-inch of IPS LCD display with full HD plus resolution. The phone is expected to be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 712, which is a recent processor, mid-range, fastest processor for the mid-range phone, coupled with 4GB and 6GB of RAM with the internal storage of 128GB. The phone is expected to come with a triple rear camera, the same camera that we have seen in Mi9 Standard Edition. With a 32MP of selfie camera, this phone will definitely take great selfie pictures and great portrait selfies. This phone will be powered by an 4000 mAh of battery with the fast charging support. So this is all the expected specification. Nothing is officially released by the company. So this is the leaked information received regarding Xiaomi Mi CC series. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.